See, this is how to be a construction worker. But first, we gotta care about our safety by putting on a hard hat. Yippee! Now that we have our hard hat on and stuff, our job is to take orders from the higher-ups and know how to use our equipment and tools. Now, our working environment as a construction worker, you'll be outside, but sometimes inside. Now it's time for the rewards. You'll be gaining money, but you'll also be gaining 51K a year. Now we get to the boring parts. First, you'll need to be like high school level degree to be a construction worker, and you need to know knowledge about the materials and tools. First, the tools, the equipment, basics. Next, you'll need to know about public safety. You cannot run people over or crash into each other. Why? Because it's a big no-no, big dangerous, not safe. Next, you'll be having to speak effectively to your coworkers and have good active listening skills, ear thing, and coordination, best thing. Next, you'll want to take blueprint reading classes and just pass high school. Next, you'll probably ask, in what locations can I find this job? Well, you can find them in cities and maybe towns. Don't quote me on any of this I'm saying. Next, are there any opportunities to be self-employed? No. Maybe a contractor could pay to do the work, but otherwise that's all. GG and